the Supreme is the God, the Nirguna Nirakara. Whatever name you can take, whatever name gives you satisfaction, you take that name. But He is above all the names. But He will not mind what name you call Him. And you are one with Him. And He is omnipresent. He is invincible. He is powerful. And I come from Him. That means I am omnipresent. I am invincible. I am very powerful. Agreed or not? I am talking science because nobody can deny this science. You have the power. Another thing is, you have come on this planet to experience something. You must be crystal clear in identifying what you want to experience in your life. Write it down on the golden book. You must know what you want to experience in this life, from the minutest detail to the very big details. And no logics, no if and buts. Just very simple, this is what I want. Because all your energies which you receive, you must project and focus onto what you want to accomplish in your life. And you are learning, every day you are learning how you can be one with Him and how you can materialize what you want to materialize in your life. Now, another thing which I mentioned yesterday, that any disease or any problem in life is not a physical phenomena. You agree with me or not? A disease or a cancer or anything is not a physical phenomena. And what science says is that any drug physically cannot cure certain diseases. That's what they say, yes or no? Or am I wrong? Any drug physically, orally, injectably, surgically cannot cure certain diseases. Now let us refer to the point number 1. I am not a physical phenomena. Or am I a physical phenomena? Please tell me. No. No disease is a physical phenomena. I proved it. Yesterday, I proved it. Recall, the body, the tiniest particle is the cell. Then you said chromosomes. Then you said genes. Then you said DNA. Up to DNA, I take it it's a physical phenomena. But then I move further, the DNA into atoms. Atoms is not a physical phenomena. Is it an energy phenomena or a physical phenomena? So there is a defect in the atomic configuration level. So if I have to rectify the atomic configuration, then I will have to enter into energy, yes or no? Yes. So that energy is my psychic impressions. These are the holographic experiences which are floating in my Shunya Sharira, in the empty space. And these are the impressions which are creating the configuration of the atom to create a disease. So what is important? Impression or the physical aspect? Tell me. The holographic psychic impressions are the one those who are controlling the atomic configuration. So, what is more important for me? The psychic impressions? Yes or no? If I have an impression that this disease cannot be cured, can it be cured? Cure. And the logic mind says, okay, come on, give me little logic. So, okay, take little logic. If one can create a disease, if one has the potential to create a disease, can't that person has the potential to remove the disease? And what is the scientific phenomena is whatever you had been doing in the past, reverse. And the reversal will take place.